We know meditation is good for our emotional, mental, and physical health. So why don't we do it more, and how do we start if we want to get into it? I'm going to give you a quick rundown on why it can be challenging to start meditating, and then we're going to do a quick beginner meditative exercise, which will only be 4 minutes. Some of the reasons we might not get into meditation is because of our really busy lives. We might have really lengthy to-do lists. We might not feel like we have the time or the energy for it, coming home at the end of a workday and just feeling wiped. Why would we want to meditate? Sometimes we feel like meditation isn't for us, or that it's not gonna work. These are just a few among many of reasons why meditation can be challenging. One common misconception, though, is that meditation is what you kind of see on TV or Netflix or whatever else it might be, where you see an individual sitting there cross-legged in silence for hours. For some, that can be terrifying. But the truth is, these individuals have had many years of practice, and they likely started in a similar place that you're about to start now, with just a few minutes. Now, meditation does not have to be done sitting down in a quiet space. It can be engaged in at any time of the day, using our mind and our senses to focus on a particular object, thought, or activity. I'll tell you a little bit more about this at the end of our video. I quickly want to share with you my own meditative journey and how I got going with it. At first, I started with meditation and guided ones for about 2 to 4 minutes. And any longer than that, it was unbearable. It was really hard to sit still, sit restful, kind of just be in the present moment without so much other chatter and thoughts about my day-to-day life coming in. So that's kind of where it started, and it took a while, week after week after week, and to be honest, a lot of inconsistencies. I would start and I'd have a good roll at it, and then I'd probably stop for a few weeks, few months on end, and then get back into it. Sometimes that's the process of learning. But now I've gotten a bit better with the habit of meditating, and what I'll do now is every couple of days I'll give myself about 5 to 10 minutes of time where I can put a timer on my phone, and I just, wherever I'm at, whether I'm sitting or need to move. Sometimes I'll do a little bit of stretching as I get into it. And with that, I'm now up to about 20 minutes that I can really be present and have my thoughts around, but they're not taken over. So without further delay, let's do a quick 4-minute beginner meditative exercise. So let's begin by finding a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit down, lie down. It can be on a chair, on the ground, on a yoga mat, on your bed, anywhere really that's comfortable. You may choose to sit cross-legged, or have your legs straight out, or on the floor, whatever feels best for you in this moment. I invite you to close your eyes and begin by taking a few deep breaths in through the nose, and allowing your body to relax as you exhale. Letting go of any tension or stress that you may be holding. Now bring your attention to your breath and notice the sensation of the breath as it enters and leaves your body. Feel the natural flow and rhythm of your breath. You can focus on the rising and falling of your stomach, or the air passing in and out of your nose. As thoughts or distractions arise, simply observe them without judgment and let them pass by gently, bringing your attention back to the breath. You can imagine your thoughts as clouds going by in the sky, just passing without clinging to them. Stay with this breath awareness for a few moments. If you'd like, you could pause this video to notice your breath even longer. If you find your mind wandering, you can gently guide your attention back to your breath. Now you may choose to expand your attention beyond your breath, maybe bringing awareness to different parts of your body, starting from your toes and bringing awareness upwards, noticing any sensations or areas of tension. You can also focus on a particular word or a mantra that feels good to you. For example, I am here now. Repeating it silently in your mind. Continue this meditation for as long as you'd like. You can stop here or continue for another minute or 2 or 5 or 10 or more. And gradually, when you're ready to finish, bring your attention back to your breath, feeling the sensations of the present moment, feeling the sensations of the breath in the present moment. Take a moment to acknowledge the stillness that you created for yourself right now. Slowly, I'll invite you to open your eyes and carry the calmness and mindfulness into the rest of your day. Good. Now that we've finished this meditation, I'm going to invite you to take a quick check-in with your body, your emotions, and the state of your mind. Maybe you notice that it's slowed down. Perhaps you're tired. Perhaps you're relaxed. Maybe it didn't really do much at all. All information is good information at this point. What's important is that you did it. You just meditated. You just gave yourself permission to be present in this moment with your body, your spirit, your thoughts, and your mind. Now remember, meditation is a practice, and it's normal for your mind to wander. It might wander every single time you do it. But I invite you to be patient and gentle as you begin your own meditative practice. With consistent practice, you'll start to see the benefits of increased focus, concentration, energy, perhaps even calmness, and ability to work with your emotions a bit better. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of it, please hit that subscribe button. And as I mentioned earlier, check out this quick meditative video that uses and engages our 5 senses without having to sit quietly in silence with no thoughts. Thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate your time, and I hope you have a fantastic day.